Welcome to the JDisc Discovery video channel. My name is Robbie, and I would like to start a new series of tips and tricks for JDisc Discovery. The first topic is about the list of supported devices. A question that we are often getting asked is, which devices are you able to scan? Typical questions are, can you scan Cisco and XOS switches? Can you detect Oracle database installations? Or how do you deal with IBM AIX or HP UX servers? For quite a while, we were thinking about how to document the list of supported devices. Maintaining manual lists in an Excel or Word document makes no sense. Those kind of manually maintained lists tend to diverge with reality after some time. The solution we found was to force our developers to document their device-specific scan code within our source code. Each scan code for a particular device requires an annotation specifying the device type, model, and manufacturer of the device. Without this documentation, the scan procedure will cause an error and will not work. So how can this be used to document the list of supported devices? The solution is pretty simple. We get the list of all scan procedures, collect their annotations, and create a report. You find the report for the list of supported devices within the reporting section. The supported devices report provides a tree to list the devices by different criteria, such as device types, manufacturers, operating systems, or special procedures for software discovery. Open the device type subtree and navigate to switch type to list the switches we can scan. Open the manufacturer subtree and navigate to Dell if you would like to obtain the list of supported Dell devices. And of course, you can select any level within the tree. For instance, you get the list of all devices when you click on the manufacturer item within the tree. We hope that this pretty straightforward but effective method helps you to find out whether your device is supported or not. And of course, it makes life much easier for us to keep this list up to date. Thank you for watching this video, and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Get our software from your download page and find more videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn.